Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, I gonna show you the top 5 app, the passive app you can make money right now, guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? I show top 5 app, guys. You can do nothing and get paid, guys, like a passive income. It's available worldwide, guys, no matter where are you from, and it's also legitimate way to make money, guys. Before we dive into this video, I want to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share with your friends and comment below, guys. Let's dive into this video. Okay, guys, the first and the foremost website we gonna see our app is called Daily Replay app, guys. You see, guys, welcome to a Daily Replay. This is the new one, guys. I found it for you. It's like a daily replay, guys. Just to go to lottery ticket, you can get lottery ticket and get paid, guys, up to $1,000, guys. You can do nothing, you can get paid up to $1,000, guys. Imagine this. And do nothing, just to enter your ticket or number, stuff like that, you can get paid, guys. It's available both Android and iOS, guys. If you had a phone both Android and iOS, you can install in both system, guys. You can get lots of money with this, guys. And I show the second website, guys. Watch till end, guys, because it's more app coming. You can make lots of money with this, guys. It's all passive income. Can do nothing, just to put little bit of work in front, guys. Just all you can get paid daily, guys. Some of the app you can do not put any work, guys, just to install and get paid, guys, as easy. And just, guys, just it's as I told earlier, guys, its ticket contains 6 numbers, guys, between 1 and 9. If you choose any numbers, guys, if you win if you win, you can get paid, guys. If you choose example 3, the raffle apps gets a 3, you can get lottery ticket, guys. Just like that, it start from $100 up to $1,000, guys. This is the app screenshot how to look like, guys. As I told earlier, you can choose one number, guys, and roughly ticket show you the results, guys, which numbers gets lottery, and if you match this number, you can get paid, guys. So easy, simple, just to put a number, guys. It's take about 1 minute to choose a number, guys, randomly. You can get paid, guys. It's easy, but it needs some luck, guys. I think everybody hits a subscribe button as a luck, guys, because it's online business, not a channel. You always have a luck, guys. Just go to the second web app, guys, that is called Current OS, guys. This is not only a passive income, guys. You can also listening a music, guys. Everybody listening a music every day, guys. You can pay for that. It's not a putting playlist push, guys. You can add a 4,000 followers for your playlist on Spotify, guys. Sorry for this, Spotify, and you can get paid. It's not like that, guys. Just to listen whatever your song like, you can listen, guys. You can get paid, guys. Just see, guys, $600 a year, guys. It's like it's little income, but it's passive, guys. You can do nothing, you can get paid, guys. Play music and just a $600 a year, guys. It's easy money. Just to spend what you want to do, just get paid, guys. It's also a gift card, get paid, guys, with gift card. There is almost a 100,000 plus downloads, guys. All radio station, you can listen lots of podcasts, lots of news, stuff like that, guys. This is the app store interface, guys. And if you want to go, click your number and get the app, guys. Just it's available both Android and iOS, guys. Don't matter which device you have, it's available both, guys. Let's see, this is a frequently asked question, guys. How do you earn, guys? More you play, more you earn, guys. More song you play, keep going, you can get paid lots of money, guys. It's just a earn $600. It's just a money minimum, guys. You can make lots of money with this, guys. And how do you spend your points, guys? You can withdraw cash or gift card, guys. Cash out or gift card, guys, or tokens, guys. Is something like scat. How do you earn more per play, guys? With every tap of the play button, you can earn points, guys. Just hit a tap button, you can earn points, guys. You can do again and again, get paid, guys. It's easy money, okay, guys. How do I get music offline, guys? It's just easy, guys. Choose a radio station, play and press recording, guys, and recording your favorite song you like. Once you're done recording, stop recording, will be like add your library, guys. It's simple as easy. Just go to this current.This, guys. Just click download and put your number. It's available worldwide, guys, no matter where you're from, and get paid, guys. We're gonna see the third website, guys. You can do nothing, just to install guys. You already heard of this web app. This is panel app guys. You probably seen this panel app. You can do nothing, just install this panel app, collecting a user activities guys, not just your not your user information guys, just user activities. What you do, how many times you open Google, stuff like that guys. It's just collecting a user activity, not a user information guys. Don't afraid of this. It's not collect a user information guys, it's just an activity what you do daily, how many times you phone unlock, how many times you lock, how many times you charge your phone, stuff like that guys. It's easy, simple, and you can boost your earning guys. Put a lot of device, create lots of account, you can boost your earning up to next level guys. You can make lots of money guys passively guys. This is the main motive of this video. You can make passive income guys, not put work in front of this video guys, not put in front work. You can get paid in passively guys. This app is panel.com guys, get panelapp.com guys, go and put your number and get paid guys. It's available both Android and iOS guys, no matter which device you have. The fourth app we're gonna see is smart app guys. It's similar to panel, it's similar to panels guys, just you can install and get paid guys. I don't talk about and waste your time guys. Just is similar to panel, and it's also easy guys. Install and enjoy whatever you want to do in your phone. It's also collecting a user activities guys, not a user information. Just as I told you earlier, how many times you unlock your phone, stuff like that guys. And you can ask me why these apps are collecting a data like this, because they improve the user experience guys for phone company. Just like that guys, it's not its privacy policy, it's just all secure guys. It's not steal your data and sell it to the other company. It just gets your activity guys, just like that guys, as I told you earlier. If you want to get this app, go to smartapp.io guys and get this app guys, or you can log in guys. You can go to Play Store and get this guys. The fifth and the most guys, this is Sweatcoin guys. Probably heard of Sweatcoin. It's a growing company guys. It's been almost 1 year before guys coming, and it gets growing fast guys. Do you see guys? You can make little bit of money, but you can make lots of money with this guys. It helps you to health guys. It helps you also your health. Just to work guys, it's not a passive income, it's not a point system, it's a real hardcore cold cash guys. It's just to work and get paid guys. There is just a home page guys, how people are making killing amount with this guys. It's the 100% data privacy guys. This company don't steal your data guys. Just to work and get paid guys. It's the number one app in the US guys. You see guys, there is almost I don't know how this 6 trillion maybe, I don't know think guys, the steps are going guys. Number one app in Hungary and Portugal's. This apps is killing guys, Romania, and this is number one app guys, just to work and get paid guys. And 20 plus activities are increased guys with this app. This app helps environmentally for you guys to make your body healthy and fit guys, just to work and get paid. Who else pay for this guys? Just to work for work. This company pays you for guys, just for work. God service and good, this is a stuff like that guys. Review people's are testimonial. There are almost 300 plus partners guys, for just like simple partner Skype, just like that guys. And this is the companies guys who's are investor. If you want to get this app guys, go to App Store, search a Sweatcoin. It's easily now coming of top of the result guys, because it's number one app in the world guys, or number one app in the USA, Romania, Hungary, Portugal guys. No matter where are you from, it's available worldwide guys. If you want to check this website guys, go to sweatco.in guys. It's like a complicated weird, but go to sweatco.in guys. It's like a combining Sweatcoin. It's easy, just go to sweatcoin.com guys. As I told you earlier, you can combine all this app guys, can make lots of money guys. Just the first app is daily roughly guys, it's just a pointing system. Second app is listening music, get paid guys. And third app is passive income, you can do nothing, get paid guys. It's easy money, you can do nothing guys. Fourth app is also similar to third app guys, you can do nothing and get paid guys. Easy money, get paid guys. Go start your app, go install your app guys, and get paid guys. The fifth app is Sweatcoin. Go walk as much as you can guys, because it helps your health and you can make money too guys. It's easy just to go work as much as you can guys and get paid. Okay guys, I helps you these apps make you health and fit and financial free guys. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, share with your share with your friends and comment below guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.